Now for the massive job of unpacking and restocking my shelves, putting things back in a place where it looks good. This is hard work. At the moment, I just get up and I do it. Empty the boxes, put things in random cubicles, and pick up all the mess on the floor that I'd left behind because I had to empty some crates out so I could put more bags in. I did really well at the show and I really enjoyed myself. This is the hardest part. It took me an entire day. This video is only about 6 minutes long, but it took me the entire day and 2 outfits. This is my just throw on country outfit, jeans and a polar fleece top. And I basically just got up and started because otherwise I'd procrastinate and just wait. Man, I couldn't get over how well it went, the show. I ended up with 4 tables. Half a table was full with my felt dolls and their clothing, their wigs and things. The other 3.5 tables were full of my bags. I did actually sell some of my bigger bags or my bigger priced items, but they were only the ones that were on sale. Otherwise, I sold smaller priced items. And it was basically an hour and a half travel to Franz Josef, where I had the show, which was absolutely the most beautiful drive. We left Saturday morning, and the show wasn't till Sunday morning, and we couldn't start setting up till Sunday morning. So we thought we might as well drop the dogs off at the kennels as early as we could. So we did. Then we took a drive to Franz. Once we got there, we decided that we'd go to Fox Glacier and go for a drive around that. That was about another half an hour's drive. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. We spent about half an hour driving through what was called a bush track to the beach. So we went for a walk along the beach. There was also another little like trek walk, which we did. We sat down, had a cup of tea at a little restaurant. Once we got back to Franz Josef, we sat down and had a plate of hot chips and a glass of wine each. And that was so nice, deciding what we wanted to do for tea. At this stage, we were quite tired because it would be, say, 5:30, and we'd been driving probably all up 2 hours. The rest of it was walking, wandering around, enjoying sights, which is really nice to be a tourist in your own country, not far from your hometown. It was just magnificent. Anyway, so we decided that we'd just go to the local supermarket, buy another bottle of wine. Here I am, I've changed my outfit. Yep, I got too hot in the other one, so I had to go and have a change. But anyway, yes, we got a bottle of wine, and then we decided that we'd just take cheese and crackers back to the hotel where we were staying, which is a beautiful place. It was just like a cabin, but it was really quiet, which is what you really want if you've got to get up early and work. So all those tiny bags, you watch, I do these couple of shelves with the tiny bags several times, trying to get it to look right. You know, you need a little bit of height so things are on different levels. But now you can sort of see it all filling up, and it looks it was a lot of fun. I did enjoy putting it back. And what you can't see, because I've made it go so fast, is I've actually dusted the shelves as I've gone as well. You see Bender there up against the wall and my embroidery machine there, putting up all the wallets. I'm not going to leave them there because the next job I have to do after I've finished a few of my leather projects that I've started will be doing some more of my felt dolls, and I do those on that embroidery machine there. So they're just there while I'm organising the rest of the spaces and moving things around, making it look right. Not an easy job, especially when you're tired. And when I listened to the video before I was forwarding it up, I did use a couple of rude words every now and then. But that's okay. I'm getting there. It is definitely a job I don't want to do too often. One of the things people really enjoyed were the dragon and the big spiders. I think because of cost of living at the moment, people just don't have the money for the bigger items. But it was really nice to have them there and have the comments that I got. I did find it really quite inspiring, actually, to tell you the truth. The comments from people, They really enjoyed the dragon, and quite often people would come up, I'm known as the dragon lady. How much is your dragon? So, it's about 40 hours of work in there, and I dyed it and polished it. It's not cheap. Oh, yeah, but it's worth it. They said it's great. But they really enjoyed it. Here are my spiders. I actually had them hanging as well along the table. People were fascinated with them. I actually think the best part of the spiders is the backside where you can see all the stitching of the legs. And this is the finished look. Oh my goodness. Look, this is all done. Took me an entire day. You can see that I even vacuumed. It has been vacuumed. I didn't film myself vacuuming, but it has been vacuumed as well. And I finally got the tiny bags, or the little bags, the way I wanted them, the way I thought they looked good. And there we go. I even hung the dragon back up. Yeah, and the emoji bags, they got a lot of good comments. A lot of the sale items went. This rack was really popular. I really thought I'd sell one of the doctor's bags. People love them. They're picking them up all day, and even at the other craft show, it was enjoyed. They were enjoyed, but no, I think people are finding it hard financially. So I just enjoyed the show. It was well worth doing.